Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Sabrina. My name Muhammad Aminullah from the Faculty of Communication. She's majoring in Public Relations with NIM 442200101119. Here I will take my opinion about explaining how to overcome the city to be better. To overcome the city to be better, then the question that occurs in Jakarta is to apply an odd even policy as a substitute for the 3-in-1 policy to build flyover to reduce congestion at a number of points in Jakarta. Build the MRT project as an alternative mode of public transportation, and that Transjakarta fleet. The even policy is a restriction on motorist fields based on number plates. Odd even, the mechanism of this policy is that fields without real number plates operate on odd dates, and even numbers operate on even dates. So, public transport cars should not be parked in any place to avoid traffic jams, such as in markets and on main roads. And for large cars such as trucks carrying goods and containers, their working hours must be reduced from morning to 12 at night and start work of 12 hours set for 6 hours so as not to cause a long traffic o'clock, and always avoid the traffic and don't always interfere or overtake, and we must always be patient on the road to safely arrive at our destination. And this is a picture every dense traffic o'clock. We must learn from the picture of congestion. We must be more patient to travel and obey traffic rules. And this in example of congestion that occurs in Indonesia, and we must learn from that example. And then, to reduce flooding, every province or regions insists on these points of garbage in its place, and safe sanctions are given to those who litter, and in every kelurahan conforms to PPSU 4 times a month the clean ditch and rivers to prevent flood. And here we need to see how worried our young siblings who are in elementary school are to go home because their school or study. Plates is flood and they catch continue their study. And this year along of things have be flood. Residents who are self-isolating are exposed to the COVID-19 virus until they are picked up by COVID-19 medical team. The following is also an example of a flood that was made by the community themselves because they did not follow the rules that cause flooding. That's all my explanation on the topics that explain how to solve it so that the city becomes better. More or less apologies. Thank you. I hope Miss Sabrina always healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.